Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the guide with the Xbox button. This gets you into system controls quickly. Once done, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, and choose General followed by Power Mode and Startup so you are directly in the power area. Make sure you are signed into your account and the console is plugged in. A network connection helps if you want wake features. Now that you're in power mode and startup, you're ready to pick the sleep-like option and adjust related timers. Next, select Instanton from the power mode choices because it provides a sleep-like standby that resumes quickly without a full boot. Once Instanton is active, choose a turn off after timer that matches how long you want the console to stay responsive versus saving energy. Shorter timers save power, longer timers favor convenience. Also, enable any wake options such as network-enabled wake or digital assistant wake so you can start the console remotely. These settings balance speed and energy use for your routine. Finally, verify the change by pressing the Xbox button to put the console into standby. The front light will dim or indicate the chosen state and controllers should disconnect. If the console refuses to enter sleep, perform a basic power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart and reapply the settings. Make sure system updates are installed because outdated firmware can prevent power mode changes from saving. If problems persist, try resetting power mode and reselecting Instanton.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.